My somersault dive. It was sloppy. It threw off my reverse tumble.
Yeah, we noticed.
No, you were great.
These
What?
spines that look like...
So I guess we'll share?
Reddit.
All mine then. Wow. So, okay. I'll see you, tomorrow. Like another book or a sequel? Maybe a little Night Fury pamphlet? What? Whoa!
Focus, Hiccup! You're not even trying! Today is...
Hey, so how would one sneak up on a Night Fury?
No one's ever met one and lived to tell the tale. Now get in there!
Has anyone ever seen one napping?
Hiccup!
Ooh, love on the battlefield.
She could do better.
Let me... Why don't you...
What the?
What are you doing here?
We're talking. Are you training with someone?
Training? I didn't...
It better not involve this.
I know, this looks really bad, but you see, this is, you're right. I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So, you got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back, go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that?
That's for the lies. That's for everything else.
We're dead. Whoa. Where do you think you're going? What is wrong with you? Bad Dragon! He's not usually like this. Oh no. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile. Okay. Whoa.
Get out! Get back out of my car! Bring that back here! Enough of these dragons!
What's he doing?
I think he's helping the dragons break stuff.
Cool.
Wow. He could really use our help.
We'll get to it.
In a minute.
Sorry about that.
And it's 3 o'clock.
Oh no. Perfect. I don't look too beat up, do I? Hey, Astrid. What a nice surprise.
So, how was your day?
Yeah, uneventful. Hung around the plaza. You know.
Yeah, I do know. We saw you out there. It's hard to believe you're still standing. It's amazing your dad just gave us the arena.
Well, it would be if he did, yeah, but he didn't. So that's another thing we should try not to talk about.
Wait, so we're going behind your father's back.
There you go, talking about it.
What happened? Did you change your father's mind? Or are we going behind his back again?
One of those.
I've got a question. What happens when I sick Hook Fang on you?
Okay, guys, that's enough training. So, we did some really good work here today.
Great relief.
Hook Fang never flames up when you're riding him. Is he okay?
Maybe he just realized who his owner is.
There's room in here for 2.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
No, go back!
So we're good now.
Good as new.
Ow!
You know what? You could have used your own bodies to keep each other warm.
Who would do that?
That's crazy.
Hey, Hiccup. Your father's looking for you.
He looked angry.
He's looked angry since the day I was born. But I'm sure there's no connection. But it's way too early for a storm. We're in the middle of winter. Devastating winter isn't due for another month. Well, what am I supposed to do? I can't control the weather. But it's not like the dragons are trying to be scary. Okay, last time might be more of a problem. Come on, big boy, you can do it. Oh, come on. Oh, you'll really like them if you get to know them. Nothing to fear. Oh, at this rate, we'll never get any milk or eggs.
Don't worry.
Worried? I'm not worried. Do I look worried? You know what I'm learning from this? Chickens are really, well, chicken. All right, see? An egg's an egg, right, ladies? Until it explodes.
No, your father would kill me if I left you out here.
Sorry, Gobber.
Hiccup, come back here. Astrid, will you talk some sense? No, not you two. Astrid, you're not going with... Get back here, all of you.
Oops. Oh, yeah, you're pretty stuck. Careful, bud, he's not wearing any pants.
Huh? Wait a second. What does my lack of pants have to do? I believe those are mine.
Now, what are we gonna do about me? Lug.
Excuse me, we're having a power struggle.
We're not having a power struggle. Oh, something tells me we're gonna hear about this. Shingle again? Didn't we have roofing material for dinner last night? It was an accident, Dad. So there's a bunch of boots piled around a zippleback. That doesn't mean... Yeah, okay, fine, he took the boots. We're just patrolling. Nobody is shooting anyone.
It's not supposed to be fun. It's a Hiccup idea.
Exactly. What?
Oh, it looks like a dragon to me.
We don't know for sure, fish legs.
The spacing of the talons is dead on.
Once again, thank you, fish legs. Okay, what happened, Snotlout? I think a dragon wrecked the Great Hall. Or stole the boots.
None of us wants to believe it either, Hiccup, but you saw the proof.
What proof? They were supposed to be made by a zippleback, but they were no deeper than mine. Well, mildew definitely has a type. Been here for 10 minutes, and you've done nothing but build that.
And our chances of finding those dragon feet are about as good as Snotlout and Astrid.
Don't go there.
Going nowhere.
I found it! Great! You were saying? Just keep looking.
Well, then let's go have a look at them.
Yeah, there's gonna be a problem with that. I also saw him throw them into the ocean. Fish legs!
And what are we gonna do when we find Alvin? Bake him a cake?
Stoic! No!
Who's that? Oh, right, you. No, not so much.
Really? Not a word?
Nope.
Nothing?
Uh-uh.
Nothing about Alvin?
Nope. Hey, is the sword really necessary? You cannot defeat me! You dirty dragon! I am the Dragon Conqueror! By the way, it's not really Dragon Conqueror. It's Dragon Trainer. Now! Oh, what took you so long?
Why? Did you miss me?
Hold your fire! He's got Astrid! What are you doing?
I heard you say fire!
I said hold your fire!